Hello and welcome to Financial Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to unactive Payoneer Virtual Card. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming other videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the Payoneer on your web browser. To do that, you just need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type Payoneer and press enter in your keyboard. After that, the search result will be shown, and on the first search result there will be Payoneer official website. You just have to click on it. After clicking on it, the website will be shown and you just have to log in. And when you have logged in successfully, then this is the website or the interface that is shown to you. And when you are here, then on the top right corner there is a person icon. You just have to click on the person icon. After that, there is a support center option. Just click on the support center option and another tab will be opened, and here will be the support center of the Payoneer. So you just have to scroll down a little bit and there is my Payoneer card option, and on the second option there is ordering and activation. So just click on the ordering and activation, and you just have to again scroll down a little bit, and on the bottom there is how do I cancel my card. So you just have to click on how do I cancel my card, and these are the things that is shown to you. So in order to cancel the card, firstly you just need to tell the reason to cancel the card. You need to add your full name, your shipping address of the card, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your card number. So you just have to follow this step and you can cancel your card. Or if you want to be more detailed about that, then there is a contact us button. You just click on the contact us button and there will be another tab opened. So here you just write the things that has been asked to you, and there is an attachment file. So you can just choose a file of the screenshot to attach it, or you can attach the file of your details. And here you need to choose your language, your Gmail, and here is the option that you need to choose, and here you need to write your question on how to unactivate your Payoneer virtual card. So when you follow all this step, then you will be able to unactivate your Payoneer virtual card, and the support team will also support you to do that. So this is how you can easily unactivate Payoneer virtual card. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.